am Aletha with WTI, and my granddaughter loves playing with dolls, especially the Reborn baby doll. This doll seems so real. She loves it. It has a nice weight to it, so it really feels like a real baby. It comes with this really cute outfit, rainbow colors with a nice little headband. If you look closely, you can see all of the real features, even eyelashes on the baby doll. It's such a cute little toy that helps her to have hours and hours of play and imagination. This is a great toy for any little girl that wants to have the feel of a real baby. So one thing I really like about the Reborn doll is that it doesn't make any noise, so no annoying crying. It's just a doll so that they can use their imagination. It comes with all the accessories for real play, and you can even purchase pretty little outfits online for the baby. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.